Hello my billionaire family, how are you guys doing? Today's tutorial will be something simple. So I started by creating like 5 plates. The ratio for this gele is 30-70 ratio. So I start creating plates. I'm extending the plates that I created at the front there. So now at the back, the 30 parts will be on top while the 50 and 70 parts will be under. 30 parts on top, 70 parts under, because the 70 parts will be coming on top like this, like what I'm doing now. This is the 70 parts, so it will be going on top of the one that we first create. So I'm creating like plates. Before I start creating like fan, I create like 3 plates to 4 plates before I start creating my fan. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also follow me on my Instagram page at glambeauty30. Glambeauty30. Please don't skip apps. I'm begging you, don't skip apps. I really appreciate if you watch my video very well. I know most of you must have known that I'm pregnant. Upon that I'm pregnant, I still try my possible best to upload video for you guys. So please, with that, I really need your support now to try and be watching my video. Please don't skip apps. I'm begging you. So I'm extending it now. So I'm still creating like fan there. So I'll use office paint to pin it down, extend it again, create another fan. So use office paint again now. So I'll create another fan now. So like so. So this gele is very easy. It's not something that is hard. You can tie it for your bride or your client for Owambe parties. So that's how I achieved this. So this gele is by 3 line. Is our regular Owambe gele. It's by 3 line. So tell my model to hold it down there. Then I will extend the pleats. All the pleats that I created there, I'll gather it now. Then I'll bring it back to the back. Just look at what I'm doing here carefully. This process is not hard. So the hand I pleated will be under, while the 30 parts will be on top. So just look at what I'm doing that area. So now I'm just using office pen. With this kind of tie, no need of you to tie. If you want, you can tie, but me, I prefer just rolling it like this, and that will even make the gele to stay. That did not mean that if you are dancing in your party, maybe the gele will remove from your head. No, just make sure it's very tight. So that is it about the back. So now I'm back to the front now to adjust my fan back the way I want. I'm adjusting it. I'm so sorry, it's Joseph that is crying. I'm so sorry about that. It's Joseph that is crying, you know. My little boy. So I want to sleep, so I'm trying to pet him. So that is it. If you like, you can leave it like this, but I don't really want mine to be like this. So I will form a style in the other side now. Yes, this place I will fold it down a little bit to create another style there. So that is it. That is it. So So this is the finished look of the gele. So if you have any question, you can just let me know at the comment section. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, share my video with your loved ones, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will talk to you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.